Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on edge lighting on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on notifications. Now from here, just select notification pop-up style. Now just tap on edge lighting style. Now from here you can select the edge lighting style which you like. Just like that. Now if you tap on color, you can change the color of the edge lighting style. And also you can increase and decrease the duration of the edge lighting. Just like that. Now if you tap on done, you will save the edge lighting settings. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on edge lighting on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.